Morning guys, so today is day 2 of 12 days of vlogging until Parker turns 2, and I want to share with you the things that I got yesterday because these are all things that I refill constantly for years and years and years, and things that have worked really well for me that I am absolutely obsessed with and I will not deviate from. It takes a lot for me to change these products. I'm just going to show you real quick. So we have our coffee in our rooster mug again, but I always get this 2-pack of Real Techniques every 3 months. Some form of dry shampoo. This is all they had and it's new and I've never tried it, so I got that. That's not a refill. This is a refill. This clear 24/7 total care, or the color one. I usually get those two. I got the shampoo and conditioner. I love the pump one. They're kind of hard to get your hands on, as well as this. This is our favorite body wash, and this one's kind of hard to get a hold of. That, my nighttime facial moisturizer, and dig through the trash down here. This is the one I was completely out of, the daytime one. I got some toothpaste. I love the Venus Embrace throwaway disposable razors. I can only use the 5-blade. It's the only one that works for my skin without it breaking out. But this one was get 2, get a bonus one. It was hiding in the bag, so that was awesome. This feminine wash, it smells so good. Yeah, it's really nice. I really like the smell of it. Garrett got toothbrushes, got some Band-Aids. I got that earlier. This is only $1 for this pack of kids' toothbrushes. I like to get these because Parker sometimes will take them and she'll run away and like throw them on the ground and the dog will lick it, and it's just easier to just buy another one. So for the past little bit, we've been buying the same toothbrushes or going to the Dollar Tree and getting toothbrushes there and toothpaste, but it was closed when we went through. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. I'm actually need to wash one of these real quick, and yeah. So on the way to work, Parker did not wake up. She wasn't even moving, so yeah, I will not see her till I get home after she wakes up from my nap, which sucks, but I played with her a lot yesterday. So this is my outfit today. I'll explain it later, but my hair is just in a half up, half down bun thingy. So anyways, I'm going off to conquer the world. Just kidding. But today I will not be eating with Garrett and Parker because I'll be eating with my great uncle and my father. I don't run over anything. The bad thing about this hill, that's gonna break a tire. Look who's coming to greet me. But that thing right there was in the road. It would have cut me. What are y'all doing? Oh shit! Dragonfly. Oh, hi. Hey. Look at that sucker. Get out of my car. Ugh, God. Look at that thing. It's huge. Ah. Okay, it's up. There's some ginormous. That could be the same one that I see every single day, but dude, that sucker is huge. Anyway, now I'm off to conquer the world after I just got scared out of my car by a dragonfly. Horsefly. I cannot talk in the morning if you have not noticed that, but okay, well, I'm gonna quit babbling. I'm gonna get my butt to work.
No! 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 Let's go.
I have completely forgotten about vlogging today. It's been such an intense day at work. I've had meeting after meeting, and mine is just like crazy. I was able to go home and see Parker for a second because I had to get back to the office early, so I saw Matt there. But anyways, I don't know what today has in store for us this afternoon. I'm exhausted, and as you see behind me, it is storming. It's gonna get worse as the week goes on, but it's okay. I like the rain. Not that sweet where I'd melt. Oh gosh, I'm so tired. I need something of the alcohol variety, and I need some pajama pants, and I need a big squishy baby, and I need my hair off of my neck. That's what I need. Hey Lucky, what you doing? So this is the steps. Garrett just kind of threw it down so that we could, or the gravel down so that we could, these don't slide when it rains and storms this weekend, but hey puppies. So this is our outside area. I just got home from work. I have a package and everything, but that's a gazebo we have. We're gonna have a walkway. This will continue that way. We have some hammocks on the other side. And then there's our fence over there, but anyways, there's our outside little, I'll do more. Garrett's making polenta, which is kind of a family favorite. But yes, got a blue moon. Today has been a very long, hard day, but what else are you putting on it? What else are you putting on it?
Shredded beef stuff.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Shredded beef stuff.
Let's try again.
Shredded beef.
There it is. And we got little hungry scavengers all over. Django. What are you doing? What are you doing? I saw you eating a bone when I came in. Yeah. Couldn't resist, could ya? Good job. Where are you going, naked booty? So guys, we are up at work, and I wanted to show you, before I get back, what I was doing was how I am able to come up here for 2 hours and work after hours with this one. She's running around. She's got her minions playing, and she has snacks. Ugh. And she has some snacks over here that she comes around and gets. But and she goes through all the drawers, which is fun too. But yeah. So Garrett and I have been doing this a lot lately. I've had a lot of projects I've been working on, and I just need to come after hours. And so yeah, she organizes the drawers. Look how tall she is. She can see in my drawer. Yeah. You see, girl. Can make people sick. Isn't that what you said in yours?
Particular.
What are you doing? Daddy's rocking this. But this is our view. I'm trying my hardest to get her to like Trolls, the movie. It's so cute, but I'm kind of obsessed with the movie Trolls. I put it on to see if she'd like it, and I'm kind of a fan of it. So, anyway, she's in there watching it, so maybe she'll be into it finally. Play it like 60 times, but we'll see. You should watch it. It's good. It's I don't know. It's different. What are we doing? She insists on me holding her wrist while she holds her markers and runs through the house. She's very specific where she wants to go. Uh-oh. You get it? Watch. You in my arm? Okay, let's go. Watch this. Let me do it again? Okay. Did you just say Chloe? Did you just say Chloe? Oh my god, I have to play that back. Did you say Chloe? Get on, Mama. There's Parker. Look, say cheese. Are you embarrassed? Huh? Say cheese. You say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Oh no. This is my kind of wine. It says open me. My dad brought this whenever we had my brother and his girlfriend over when they came into town, so we didn't get to open it, so now sorry, but it's telling me literally to open it, so hey, every time I get close it says drink me, but I can't drink you because my little one wants me to run with her. And yeah. Where you going? I'm staying. Nope. Someone put her up to this. She won't let me drink my wine.
I got around your neck, sorry.
Rocky wants in. Oh, wait.
He's so pretty, isn't he? You put up too? Rocky, calm down. Calm down, Rocky. Fuck, crap. Look, my finger. Oh, what you did it. Oh, look how pretty. Look at it. He's catching.
Put this on.
There, let me go. Every second.
She spun it like a garter. Oh, pretty. Oh, no. Daddy's head's turning purple.
I feel it.
Anything for Park.
Hold on. Wait.
Is it? So these are Parker's book selections tonight. I'll Never Let You Go, Dr. Seuss's Sleep Softly book, and Duck and Goose. What are you doing? Watch her. Where's Parker? There she is! Baby, it's time for bed. It's not time to play in the bathtub. Yeah. Come on. Let's go.
Just like.
Come on. Let's go read a book. Come on. Come on. Daddy got you. So come on. Alright guys, so Parker's down. Now it's time for me to edit today's vlog. I just want to say thank you for watching day 2. And if you haven't checked out day 1, you should go check it out. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye.